Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. So I will not stretch the video because I have already done the detailed analysis on Saturday. So this is just a reminder video that where are the trading opportunities in front of us after the market opening. So first of all, we can see that as we all know, there was not much movement on the chart of Euro USD, and still we see that there is not much movement again. And yes, on Monday morning we do not see much movement in the market, but still Euro USD is lacking too much. Anyways, this is the chart of DXY US dollar, and dollar is still taking support at the trend line, which is a very good thing, but still it has failed to cross the weekly resistance, still struggling. So we have got two possibilities for US dollar. First is dollar will break the resistance and will go high from here. Dollar will break the resistance. So if dollar breaks the resistance and goes up, Euro USD will be going down. And on the other hand, if dollar fails to break the weekly resistance of 94.14, then dollar will go down and Euro USD will go up. So keep your eyes on keep your eyes on US dollar, because just keeping your eyes on US dollar, you can get the idea whether Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD will be moving in upward direction or downward direction. So that's a nice trick. Okay, instead of looking at all the chart, you can just keep your eyes on US dollar. Okay, so keep your eyes on US dollar. So this is the chart of Euro USD. So I do not see much opportunities because, to be honest, I'm not much positive on Euro USD here. So first trading opportunity on Euro USD is if market goes up, then 1.1600 will be the resistance for the market. Or in simple words, if market reverses from 1.1600 level, you can short the market, because previously it was the support for the market, but right now 1.1600 will be the resistance, because support becomes resistance. So if market reverses from 1.1600 level, short the market. Secondly, we have this trend line. Yes, if market goes up also a little bit, then again the trend line is there standing as the next big resistance. Okay, so the trend line is the second resistance for the market, and these third line 1.1666 is the next resistance for the market. Why I'm telling all about resistances? Because this market is in downtrend, and as we all know, we should follow the trend of the market, and that is the thumb rule of the market, that follow the trend. So if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So try to short the market, okay, whenever it reverses from the resistance. That should be your first priority. But on the other hand, if we see some heavy selling, fresh selling on Euro USD, then you can short the market below this level as well. In case dollar goes up, dollar gets very bullish, then obviously you will see fresh selling on Euro USD, and you can short Euro USD below 1.1528, below this level. So I'm just telling you in short, because I have already done the detailed analysis. If you want to know everything in detail, please watch the video of Euro USD that I uploaded on Saturday. So these are the trading opportunities. So my dear friends, do not make any mistake, follow proper risk management and try to trade on the levels that I have just mentioned. And this is the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. And these are the reasons why you should join the Pro Trader program. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.